I wanted to show this overhead tripod that I've been using now for a few months. This is really nice. What I like about it is how this end of this arm rotates. I mean, you can mount your phone on here and then never have to take it off. You just move it every which way. The other thing is that it can be extended out, and this extends out. You can tighten this up if you're wondering why that's falling down. I just don't have it tight. Anyway, this extends out about 13.5 inches. Otherwise, it's at about 8.5 inches. And then this part also extends to 17.5 inches. And if you put that up, 26 inches. And then when it's down, it's at about 10.25 inches. Anyway, this is nice if you do a lot of overhead filming, like cooking, or you can put it next to your stove and extend it out and film whatever pot you're cooking in, if that's something that you do. And I like that the base is heavy. I've had some of these where they just fall over. This has a nice heavy base on it. And it just comes with an Allen wrench and a screw. You just screw it in. And so the base is really nice and heavy. Anyway, hope that helps. I would highly recommend it.